everyone, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So today's recipe is this delicious and easy to make rusk toast recipe, which you can have as an anytime snack. You can even give it to your kids as a tiffin item. It's really nice, and you can also have it with a cup of tea. It's really super delicious. So let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. So let's start with today's rusk toast recipe, which is super easy. Now I'm going to crack open 3 eggs in a bowl. See that you don't get any eggshells into the bowl. Now I'm going to add half a cup of powdered sugar. So I've just taken half a cup and powdered it in my mixer. And now I'm going to whisk this mixture for 5 whole minutes till it turns from this bright yellow color to a very pale yellow color, as you will see. You can also use an electric mixer for this. So you can see now how it has changed to a very pale yellow color. So this is very important for this recipe. And now I have about 100 grams of butter, which is equal to 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons, which is at room temperature. If your butter is frozen, just keep it out for some time, let it come to room temperature and then add it. And then again, you're going to whisk this entire mixture till all of the butter has really mixed in well with the eggs and the sugar. Now we're going to add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. So this is 1 teaspoon. And always when you're taking the baking powder, just run your finger like this and remove the excess. So that is the exact measurement of 1.5. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now we're going to mix everything or whisk everything really well together. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of flour or maida. And again, we're going to whisk everything together. We're not going to fold the batter in as we do generally with other cake recipes, but we're going to whisk the whole mixture together. We want this very thick kind of a batter and not a very runny batter. So see that everything gets really, gets mixed in really well. This is a very important step because we want the baking powder, the vanilla essence, everything to get mixed up really well. Now I've taken a 7x7 inch cake tin. Now mine is with a removable base, but you can use a general cake tin as well. The removable base ones are really easy because then you can just lift the cake up, and demold it very easily. So now I'm just applying some butter evenly all over the cake tin. Now what this does is it helps the butter paper or the baking paper to really stick well to the tin. So when you're pouring the batter in or transferring the batter in, it doesn't get, the butter paper doesn't shift from its place and the batter doesn't get stuck to the sides. It should be on the butter paper. So take your time with the butter paper and then just transfer this batter. I won't say pour because it is not of a pouring consistency. It is a very thick consistency. So just transfer the batter using a spatula and even it out so that it goes to all the corners of this cake tin. Now I leave recipes to all the different cake and cookie and all the other baking recipes that I have in my description as well as comment section. And then I've just baked it for about 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And now our cake is all ready. It has come to room temperature. I'm just going to demold it and take off the butter paper. Then I'm going to turn it onto the other side. And then we're just going to cut it up into 2 equal halves. Like this, and then I'm just going to slice them into thin slices which look like toast, and I'm going to place them again on the baking paper and I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes on one side. And then when one side is baked, we're just going to turn them over like this and again bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for another 10 minutes. They already look so delicious. They just need to get toasted onto the other side before you can really enjoy these lovely rusk toast. And once we bake them, this is our final product. Our rusk toast are all ready. So let them cool to room temperature before you enjoy them, or you can also store them away in a clean, dry glass bottle and enjoy them with your cup of tea or coffee. So do try out this recipe, guys. It's super delicious and it's a different take altogether on the toast, and it is something you should try. Real easy recipe, so quick and easy to prepare and really delicious to eat. So if you like today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, click on the bell and click on all, that way whenever I put up a new video, you'll get a message for the same. Thank you so much for supporting my channel by watching my videos. It means the world to me. And I'll catch you soon in my next recipe, sooner than you think. Till then, take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.